There are many image enhancing tools out there, but they comes with a major problem. You can't control the outcome. Most AI tools don't offer customization option, leaving you stuck with whatever result they generate. But there is one tool that gives you full control how you enhance your image. Meet Adobe Express. Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek aka Design Subway, and in this video we are going to learn how you can enhance your images using Adobe Express. Simple and easy. If you are a small business owner or a content creator, your photos can make or break the sale. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Head over to adobe.com/express and log in. Now simply click on this upload button and insert your image. This pop-up will appear. Click on edit original image. On the left side you see this panel with all the editing options. Click on adjust. Now fine tune the contrast, brightness and sharpness based on your image. My recommendation is slightly increase the saturation and sharpness for that enhanced look. This is perfect if you are a small business owner trying to make your product photos look more professional for platforms like Amazon, Flipkart or Instagram. Here is a quick before and after to show the difference. The enhanced image just look more sharper, cleaner and professional. So let's see another example. We have this image. Simply click on edit original image. Now just click on adjust. Maybe increase the contrast or just play with all the sliders, increase the saturation and just have fun with sliders because every image is different. So you have to experiment according to your image and just increase the sharpness maybe a little bit to make that enhanced look. And as you can see the before and after, it looks really nice. If you have like any product images that you want to post on Amazon or maybe other platforms, you can use these sliders to make it look more sharper. You can download it in different format. You have like PNG, JPEG, PDF and other format as well. Simply for the best quality, download in PNG. Try Adobe Express, link in the description. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.